आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, the question states that a conical flask is full of water. The flask has a base radius r and height h. The water is poured into a cylindrical flask of base radius mr. So we have to find the height of the water in the cylindrical flask. Okay, so we are given that the radius of cone is r and height of cone is h, and we are given that the radius of cylinder or the cylindrical flask is mr. So if the water is poured from the conical flask to the cylindrical flask, the volume of the conical flask would be equal to the volume of the cylindrical flask. Okay, that means 1 by 3 into pi into radius of cone square into height of cone should be equal to pi into radius of cylinder square into height of cylinder. Okay, so if we put the values of radius and height of cone and radius of cylinder here, we can find out the height of the cone, the height of the cylinder. So 1 by 3 into pi into r square h is equal to pi into radius of cylinder is mr square, and let the height of cylinder be h cylinder. Okay, so from here pi gets cancelled out, r square also gets cancelled out, so the remaining value is h by 3 is equal to m square into h of cylinder. Okay, so from here we can find out that the value for h of cylinder is h by 3m square. So therefore we can say that the level of water in cylindrical flask is equal to h by 3m square. Okay, so this is the value for the level of water in the cylindrical flask. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।